G'day, just a quick little video here. I've got a Diff Pinion yoke here, and you can see that the seal's actually worn quite a deep groove in there. So what I'm going to actually do, I've got the old seal out. I've managed to locate a seal that's a lot narrower than that, and I'm actually going to, what I'm going to do is put it in the diff housing deeper than where this one was. So what that'll actually do, it'll allow that lip, the sealing lip in there, to run probably about where my fingernail is there. So it'll actually be next to that groove, and it'll just be like putting a new pinion yoke in. If that all fails, then I'm going to have to get a new yoke anyway, but just something you can do. On these you can also machine that off and put a sleeve on it. I've actually pushed the seal in a lot deeper than where it was. The old one was actually flush with that housing. So just a little trick you can do sometimes if you're able to, instead of replacing the whole Diff Pinion yoke. There we go, I've just polished it up, and hopefully that other seal will just sit next to that groove there. And you can see how much deeper this seal has gone in. Thank you for watching.